In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all products on your Shopify homepage. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Find the Products tab and click it. A few options will drop down underneath, and from there, click on Collections. This page shows all the collections you've already created. To make a new one that will automatically include every product in your store, go to the top right of the collections list and click Add Collection. You're now inside the collection editor. Start by giving your collection a clear title, for example, All Products, so you can easily recognize it later. You can also add a description here if you want. This area supports rich text, so you can format it, add links, or provide information for your customers. Under collection type, you'll see the option to choose between manual and automated, sometimes called smart. Select the automated or smart option so that Shopify can fill this collection for you based on rules, instead of you adding products one by one. Next, set up the conditions that tell Shopify which products belong in this collection. In the conditions area, choose Products must match all conditions. For the first condition field, open the dropdown and select Price. For the comparator, choose Is greater than. Then, in the value box, type 0. This basically tells Shopify, include every product with a price greater than 0, which will usually mean all sellable products in your store. When you're done, click Save at either the bottom right or near the top search bar. Wait a moment while Shopify updates the collection, and then scroll to the products section on this page. You should now see all of your products pulled into this new collection automatically. Now it's time to feature this collection on your homepage. Go back to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. You'll be taken to your theme library, where your current theme appears at the top. On the right side of your current theme, click Edit. When the theme editor opens, it usually defaults to the homepage, but it's worth checking. At the top of the screen, there's a page selector. Make sure it's set to Homepage so you're editing the right place. On the left-hand side, under Template, click Add Section. A panel of options will slide out. From this list, choose Featured Collection. A new section will be added to your homepage layout, and you can drag and drop it if you want to change its position on the page. Click on this new Featured Collection section to open its settings. At the top, you'll see a collection field with a Select button beside it. Click Select, then from the list of collections, choose the All Products collection you just created. Give it a moment to load. On the right-hand preview, you should now see all your products displayed within that section. Take a look at how it appears and adjust any settings like the number of products per row or the heading text if your theme allows it. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go up to the top right of the editor and click Save. And that's it. You've created an automatic all products collection and added it to your Shopify homepage, so visitors can instantly browse everything you sell as soon as they land on your site.